bon après-midi, bonsoir et aussi bonne nuit à tout le monde. J'espère que vous allez bien. Do you remember what petit déjeuner, déjeuner ou dîner are? I talked about all these three in this video of mine. If you have not watched it yet, you can watch it right now. Here it is. So in this video, I decided to talk to you about petit déjeuner, déjeuner, and dîner en France. I mean famous French breakfasts, lunches, and also dinners. Here we go. Alors, au petit déjeuner, les Français prennent un croissant. For the breakfast, mostly the French people have a croissant. I think you know about it. With du thé or du café. With some tea or some coffee. And sometimes avec de la confiture, meaning some jam. Confiture means jam. Now let's check some common recipes for lunch en France. Par exemple, croque-monsieur. It is something like a cheese and ham sandwich, as you see. A very famous one, quiche. Quiche is something basically like a pie, but with different ingredients in it, like leeks, salmon, spinach, or other stuff. Moules frites. It is mussels and fries all together, and it is a very popular dish in France. Talking about French cuisine, you have of course heard about crêpes. Crêpes refers to slim pancakes. They can be savory or sweet, so they can be eaten au déjeuner ou au petit déjeuner. What about escargot? A very French dish, completely original. They are cooked snails served with vegetables. And also another famous French dish, is coq au vin. The direct translation would be rooster with wine, all cooked together. Et pour le dîner, have you heard about Ratatouille? Yeah, I know you have. It's a layered dish with eggplants, zucchinis, and tomatoes. What about Tartiflette? Have you heard about this? It's a potato dish with onion, pork, and also white wine. Actually, French people have a lot of soup also. They have soup à l'oignon, which means onion soup. And another originally French thing that may not seem very pleasant to all of us is soupe de poisson, meaning fish soup. I have never tried that. And another thing is salade niçoise. It is made with lettuce, tomatoes, egg, and tuna. And don't forget that along all this with déjeuner and also dîner, the French people have always the fromage, meaning cheese, that they have thousands of kinds of them. This was only a short list of what French people eat daily for their breakfast, lunch, and dinners. I would like to broaden the list and make more videos like this. So if you want to watch videos of mine, subscribe my channel here.